Good morning, Houseplant friends. So I literally just woke up and the fact that I'm gonna post this right now on my YouTube channel, me waking up early in the morning, gonna make some coffee. This channel is like way too real and like so ratchet, but like it's raw and it's real. Okay, so let me make some coffee because like your boy needs some caffeine. And we're gonna go look at, I'm getting already jokes. We're gonna look at some cream splash philodendrons or silver stripe philodendrons. Because oh my god, they're just like, I'm just going obsessed with this plant. And I wanna talk about it and rant about it. It's one of my top wish list plants. And I know there's some really cool guy that was gonna like work with me. I was gonna send some super blues and he was gonna go and send me some cream splash philodendrons, I believe. But I'm a little bit nervous because like I've never shipped out plants and it's, you know, on top of that, it's not really the time to ship out plants. Like we're still like, you know, in winter. So I'm like beyond scared to like send something out and like it comes out damaged. So yeah, I didn't respond to his DM, but maybe I will. Okay, let's make some coffee because like I'm literally going crazy right now. I need my caffeine. Okay, so yes, I am using my real Facebook. Like I don't really care if you guys can find my Facebook. Like it's just Facebook. It's not like my social security number online. But this is Facebook Marketplace, and honestly, I love this place so much. At first, I thought it was a scam. You know, I only trusted Offer Up. That's because I never really tried it. And then my mom told me like it's really good, and I was like, is it really? And I ended up liking it, and now I sell plants in there. I used to. I stopped because like it was stressful. A lot of fun, and I might do it again, 1000%, but not right now. Okay, so I think I have it at Browse All and set into a 15 miles radius. I can extend that and put more space because like, oh no, never mind. That's what 15 miles looks like really, I didn't even know that. Okay. So as you guys can see, I see this girl, Burger String of Hearts, and this looks really good. So like I said, it doesn't really show me if she's from San Antonio, but it's see, I love me some variegated plants. Like it hits my soul so good. And the string of pearls is, did I say string of hearts? Lord have mercy. The string of pearls, oh my god, it's really strong. I like it strong. Okay, so I've killed the string of pearls before, you know? I don't know why, I don't know how. It's not overwatering because I don't even know. I killed it twice. Because I had the variegated one, literally this one, I killed it. I had the regular string of pearls and I killed it. I don't know what to do anymore, so. It's really beautiful and I get so, I think it's called envy, jealous. When I see a lot of people on Instagram with their beautiful string of pearls, I'm just like, Lord have mercy, but it's so freaking pretty. But I can't keep it alive. Miranda, I already have her. Lemon, have her as well. What is this? Jerry Horn cutting. This one, okay, hold on, let's put pictures. See, this is what I'm learning now as I'm getting more into houseplants. Like, by the way, I can share this with, like, yeah, this is like online, so I can share. I don't need to ask for permission. Yeah, it's too freaking cold. Oh, stop it. Okay. Okay, it's just repeating itself. So now, like, hold on, I just want to see plants. I don't want to see like anything else. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let me put outdoor plants as well. Okay, it's not. So as I'm starting to collect more house plants, $5. Ooh, $6. Girl, what? Okay. As I'm starting to collect more plants, I'm like really getting more picky in my collection on what I buy. I only want to buy plants that bring me joy because back then I was just buying plants if it was like on a good deal or it was on clearance or I liked it a little bit or if it was affordable or if I didn't have it. If I didn't have it, I was like, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna build my collection. And I'm at the point where it's like 200 something houseplants. So I'm like at the point where I'm just like, I'm gonna get a little more picky. And that's why I only want to buy plants that bring me joy. Plants that I really want. And plants that I don't want anymore. I don't know. I don't want to really sell them, to be honest. Like, that's what some people do. They sell their plants that they don't want anymore. But for me, like, they all bring me joy. You know what I'm saying? But right now, I really want the silver stripe philodendron or the cream splash philodendron or the real philodendron. And they all look so similar, so I don't really care. This is probably like a little bit of difference. $5 for a well-fed Sansevieria. Shut up, really? Girl, I paid so much for mine. And it's like almost the same size. Polka dot begonia, some more snake plants, contact, that's the main shade Sansevieria. Okay, ooh, what is that? Scindapsus. See, I really wish Coastal Farms, they had one of the, the real philodendrons or the cream splash philodendrons or the silver stripe philodendrons and the Train Focus collection, but they don't. I don't know why. I guess it's not that famous, like that popular. But like the Scindapsus, like, don't get me wrong, it's really pretty. It's such a pretty plant. But I already killed 2 of them. I'm at the point where I'm like, I don't like this plant anymore. I hate it. I don't know. And I'm not the only one. I know there's a lot of other people that like kill it. So, God have mercy. I'm just drinking my coffee black, so that's already strong enough. And I think I made it really, really strong. Don't get me wrong, I love me some strong coffee, you know what I'm saying? Like, I am the type of person that gets like nitro and Starbucks, like, I can't get too because that's really, really bad for you. And a lot of espresso shots in my caffeine and my coffee drinks because I love caffeine. It's really loud outside. Monstera, that's cute. A Hoya, what the? 1,234 for a Hoya. I'm guessing it's like a bid, because girl, no one's gonna pay for that. Okay, no one's gonna pay for that. I'm sorry. What? I saw that, but color diffusion as it should be. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Okay, so I had the basic one. It was like this one, but it never had like that green variegation. I don't know. Even then, I see that plant in my grandma's backyard. Okay. I'm gonna go look at my baby. The real philodendron. Or the other ones. I think this is different. We're gonna search up what the difference is. Because I've seen some pictures. This ain't it, baby. This really ain't it. There's a few differences on like how they're different plants. But they look so similar, but there's some differences you can tell. So cream. Don't make fun of my grammar, y'all. Okay. Where is it? Where am I typing incorrectly? What the? Okay, let's put silver stripe. I'm gonna lose my marbles if I'm like typing it in the wrong spot. I feel like I'm typing in the wrong spot. Yay, we're at Etsy. So we're gonna go look at this girl, Real Philodendron. I honestly trust LT as well. It's another place where I buy my plants. Okay, so these are looking a little bit more better. What is that? It's a Brazil. Wow, my computer's starting to make a sound again. Love that. Okie dokie. So it's just a basic Brazil. Is that? I don't know, man. Some of these plants get so confusing, like their names. Like, this is beautiful though, but damn. 135. True Philo Royal Cutting. I mean, it's so full. You know what I might do? I might sell some of my cuttings and use that money to buy one of my wish list plants, which is this beautiful Brazil. I can sell my neon. I have a lot of plants that I can sell, like machine of hearts, neon, Hoyas, kind of Hoya compacta, Mia monstera or Raphidora tersa prima, Golden Calathea, Sila Blue, the basic Brazil, Polka Begonia, that I have one that's rooted. Should I do a video of that? Do you guys want to see that? Like me selling some plants in my Facebook marketplace? Local only, because like shipping just stresses me out so much. But one of these days I'm gonna get good at it, I promise y'all. Well, I'm crossing my fingers that I do. But oh my god, it's just not pretty. But like, damn, like that's too much. What is it, $30 for some cuttings? Just for one cutting. Girl, oh my god. Hey, give me a second. Okay, so, ooh, this is what I wanted so bad. It looks like my Brazil. Because they're like cousins, you know. But more beautiful, it has more variegation. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put Cebu Blue because I know these girls are really expensive on Etsy. Oh, should I make an Etsy account? No, because I need to ship out plants. Yeah, I really want to do an Etsy account, but one, I don't have a lot of plants, and two, I'm scared. I get a lot of questions of people asking me like, do you sell plants online? I'm like, girl, no, I wish. It's one of my goals in life. I don't know. Whenever I drink coffee, I get like these crazy ideas that I want to do. I mean, that's not bad. See, the thing is, there's a lot of options. 24 for this? I was selling some 6-inch pots with like 8 Cebu Blue cuttings that were fully rooted, pushing out a lot of growth, and some were even vining for $15. Local. Damn, baby, no. I mean, that's not, it's nice. It is a beautiful plant. But damn. $8 for some cuttings. Okay, there's a lot of options. But that's a cute idea. Like having like a neon potos, marble queen potos, or some Cebu Blue cuttings like as a bundle. That's really cute. Okay. So now, we're gonna switch up cream splash. Okay. Okay, ooh, okay, this is more cheaper. See, what? What's going on? Okay. Ooh, hold on. These are really cute. Oh my god, I wanted my computer so bad. Oh, this is so cute. And it's only $2.30. These are so cute. I want it on my phone. This is so cute. What? Oh, $64. No, thank you. I can buy like so many plants with that money. Okay, 55. This looks really good. Debatable. See, like I do want to make an Etsy, but then I don't. I'm just scared. Y'all let me know if I should make one. And if you do have one or have any tips, please. That shirt's beautiful. Please let me know. I really want to know how to like some tips. Give me some tips, y'all. Give me some tips. This is so pretty. Yeah, I want to make merch like so bad. But I told myself I'm only gonna make it when I hit 10,000, if I ever hit it, 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. But this is so pretty. Ay, Dios mío, qué bonito se mira esto. De verdad, I would wear this shirt every month. Sorry. I would wear this shirt every day. I should really, okay, so basically, honestly, anybody can make merch, to be honest. It's like nothing really fancy. I think this is called Teesprings. And I was gonna try it out. I did try it out, but I don't know what happened. Oh yeah, I didn't like the way it was turning out. Like, it was just like a basic leaf. But that's a good idea. And like, honestly, I wanna like make it cartoonish, like this app, so I can make it like into a cartoon. And then make it super cute and make it into stickers. Oh, and the reason why I didn't want to like promote it even more, it was basically like a plant shopping, like it said, let's go plant shopping. And I love it so much because my channel was growing so much because of plant shopping videos. And I was like, people would like this because like, you know, let's go plant shopping. And they kept messing up with the prints. I ordered the first time and I think I still have the shirts. It was way too low. And then I told them like, hey guys, and I waited 2 weeks for that, and I paid for shipping. It was like 20 something for dollars for shipping or something like that. And I told them like, hey guys, like it came out wrong. And they were like, it's fine, like we will just send you a new one. And I was like, yay. How much do I gotta pay for it? Can I get a discount? And they're like, no, it's not for free. So they ended up sending it another 2 weeks that I had to wait. And it was way too up. So at that point I was like, that's it. We're done. Because I was like, I don't know. I was just losing motivation. I was like, ugh. But now I want to $750 for this. And now I want to try again. Why, girl? Is it really that big? Yeah. Ooh. Oh my god, what is this? Red spot, I'm like literally stressing out already. Red spot tricolor Syngonium. I mean, it's beautiful, but $2,500. Girl. Oh my god. But hey, do what you, oh, this one's pretty as well, but it's a lot cheaper. So this would be a video idea, like looking at really expensive listings on like Etsy or any other like place and like looking at them. This one's really pretty. Wait, give me a shaking. Why is nobody liking this? It looks really, really cool. I guess it looks a little bit sick because like it's not so saturated. Like it looks very like grayish, like dead, but I like it. Syngonium green splash plants. This is probably just the lighting, by the way. Oh, it's so freaking pretty. Wow. Ooh, this is cheap too. Oh, banana. Oh, oh my god. Oh, I want a very. My grandma has a banana tree. She has a lot of them, to be honest, in her backyard and her front yard as well. They're huge, and they grow like weeds at her in her yard, in her house. And if she has this one, hey girl, we can get that money back. And two, it looks so pretty. Like, I just want that like in my wall. Like if that's ever possible, like just like a print in my wall. Oh my god, that'd be so freaking pretty. Wow. Okay. What else do you guys have in here? A lot of stuff. Wow, look at that one. Anything? I had this girly and she was big. And what happened to it? I think I threw it away. Because I read that it like attracts a lot of bugs, and this was like in the beginning of my plant journey. It attracted a lot of bugs, and like let me tell you, I hate bugs. And I was like, no, so I just threw it away. And now I'm regretting it so much. I feel so dumb and like a terrible person. This thing looks sick. What is this? Monstera Arizona Variegata. Baby. Why? Like why? It's gorgeous, beyond gorgeous. And if you can afford this, girl, do you. Like, oh my god, I wish I was you. Or yeah. But these plans, y'all, are like, they're trying me right now. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. What is this, baby? Like, all these tabs that I have are like just stressing me out a little bit. Wait, what? It's for 1 week. What is this? Philodendron Parieso Verde. Like, ooh, okay, give me a second. That was pretty. Ooh, what is this? Is it like the pink princess, but it's a white princess? Okay, I'm down for this one, to be honest. Like, I don't know, for me, with the white variegation, like, oof. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go and finish the video because like these plans are not gonna stop. It goes on for like 2 hours max. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this this random video. If you guys would like to see a part 2, or I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but just give a thumbs up and let me know. So I'm going to finish my coffee and watch some plant videos on YouTube. Bye! I'll see you in the next one.